All right, so we're going to look at how to use Immersive Reader within a Word document. So I just brought up a Word document. It's got a big old picture up here, but then I have some text here on the second page. So I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to look at Immersive Reader. So I'm going to hit the Immersive Reader, and I have a whole set of options here. I'll scroll down again, so where I want to be. You can change the column width. You can go very narrow depending on how you like it. You can go moderate, you can go wide, however it is that you want to see it. You can change the page color for contrast depending on what you like. I'm just going to leave it white. And then one of my favorite things is the line focus. I can keep it none. I can do one line at a time. I could do 3 lines, or I could do 5 lines. It's just something that helps you to focus, and then I can just move it around however I like, and that's a choice. Just using those buttons here to the side. We can do text spacing as well if we need it to be a little bit bigger, depending on what we need, or we can leave it as it is. You can see syllables if you want. Sorry, I had that on already. You can see syllables or take syllables off. And then my favorite is the read aloud.
Witnesseth that John Henry Coates hath put himself and by these presents, with the consent of his.
Just click it again to stop. I also have a toolbar over here that can send me to next. I can have it just play. I have settings over here. I can do a reading speed, so I can go faster. I can change it to one of the other voices, let's say Mark. And then let's play again.
Samuel Coates doth voluntarily and of his own free will and accord.
So that might be a little fast. So let me stop. Go ahead and change the reading speed. Maybe I make it a little bit slower. And let me play it again.
And after the manner of an apprentice to serve him, the said John Humphreys.
So you have to find your own speed that makes sense. When you're done with having the Immersive Reader view, you just go ahead and close it out, and there you go. They also have another option called Focus, which just is going to give you a little bit different page view for you to read. But there you have it.